Check this out. Now guys, it's Simon Jive Nation here, and I've got to tell you about this absolutely mind-blowing underground hack. Okay, we're launching Nexus with Michael Cook this Saturday, and I'd like to invite you to join us to find out about this incredible tool which will help you grow your email list 70% faster than anything else available. Now, this is illegal in a lot of countries, but not all. And we're going to show you how to walk carefully the line of doing it just right. So guys, like I said, this launch is going to be red hot. You're going to get 70% more emails even if they don't opt in. This isn't even my cat.